So welcome back to this channel IBMI classes. Um, in this video session, I'll discuss do while command in CL programming, which is basically a control statement using which we can execute a loop. So that's we can say a top tested loop, or you can say we before executing any condition we just check any statement, we check the conditions here and then execute the statements when the condition is true in that do while loop. So let's start discussion here. So do while command or loop has only one parameter, which is a condition. So here I have written a simple program to give the demo for do while loop in CL programming. So I took a variable loop of decimal type and a message variable of length 50. So I'm initializing the loop variable with 1 at the beginning, and then I'm executing this loop do while loop with that condition if loop is less than equal to 50. So you can modify the condition as per your need. So till the time loop is value is less than equal to 50, the statement inside do while and do would get executed again and again. um, Now inside that we are evaluating the message variable with iteration and then concatenating as it is the loop value. So the first time the loop value will be 1, and then uh, we are converting that to character. So here we are using percentile char for converting to character. um, that is the decimal value and loop, and then we are concatenating using star cat. We're just concatenating two string as it is. Now at last we are changing the loop variable or incrementing the loop variable by 1 every time. So till the time it reaches 51, the statement inside do while and do would get executed till 50 times, and after that the program ends. So let's compile this program. So this program has been compiled successfully. Just debug this program clpgm 9x star yes star yes. So we will be setting the breakpoint at line number 1. Call this program clpgm 9x. So here I'm initializing the loop variable as 1. Now inside do while condition loop is less than equal to 50, condition is satisfied, or you can say true. So it goes inside the loop and this statement would get executed. So the message is value iteration 1. So loop value is 1 currently. So it is converting to character and then concatenating it. Loop is now 2. Now the value of loop is incremented by 1. Again the message becomes 2, iteration 2. Again the message becomes iteration 3. So this loop gets executed till 50 time. So just set a breakpoint at 18 line number when and loop equals to 49. Take F12. Now check the value of loop, which is 49, and the value of message is also iteration 49. Now it gets executed iteration 50. Now the value of loop becomes 51. So the loop ends because loop condition is and loop is less than equal to 50. Now it ends. So this is the basic demo of do while command in CL programming. So inside do while loop you can justify your own commands or your own set of statements, set of codes that you want to execute for certain number of times. So this is the demo of do while loop, or you can say the command in CL programming. So that's all. Thank you and have a nice time.